Ladies, if you have crow's feet or you want to avoid them as you age, then you want expression lines like that, but not static lines around your eyes. Here's how to fade them in 4 easy steps. First, you block any lines that could happen from your exercises. Then you do a face HIIT exercise, which is a really intense squeeze of the eyes quickly to tone those muscles around the eyes. Then you do a skin-safe myofascial release like this. Press gently and vibrate with your knuckles to release the tension causing crow's feet. Let's get into skincare next. Take something hydrating first and pat it on your skin. This is aloe vera gel, and this is to make the skin damp. Then you seal it in with a moisturizer, a plant-based oil that builds collagen because your eye skin doesn't produce its own oil well. Then you can use either an eye skin safe face tape like this one that has natural adhesive. You can put this one over product, or on dry skin, use a silicone under eye patch. This will help build a moisture climate underneath to regrow collagen and to block those sleep lines from making your crow's feet and under eye wrinkles worse. You can take them off in the morning and you are good to go. Repeat those skincare steps and your eyes are going to look fabulous, darling.